Welcome to the Fizzy Show.
Our barbecue is ready for us to get cooking. Oh no! Our barbecue's all cold now.
Oh, this is a disaster. We need to cook a yummy lunch.
Miss Hands, we're definitely gonna need a hand.
Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Hi Fizzy and Phoebe. I see your barbecue's still cold, but that's okay. Before we fire it up, let's do a little food preparation. We're gonna add a selection of vegetables to this bowl.
Ooh, excuse me, Mr. Crab. I need that tomato. Tomato.
Pepper.
Carrot.
Eggplant.
Good job everyone. Now we just need to wash our vegetables.
Hi, Ocean. Could you please splash our vegetables to make them clean?
Whoa! Duck, Phoebe!
Fizzy, I was trying to wash our vegetables.
I know, Phoebe, but you can't wash vegetables in seawater. You gotta use fresh water.
Oh,
Amazing work. Now we have our vegetables freshly washed in clean water, not seawater. We can get chopping. And I'm going to start here with this tomato. There we go. And next to pepper. And a carrot. And finally our eggplant.
Our vegetables will be cut into 2 pieces to make it easier to cook.
yeah.
That's right, Fizzy. It's easier to cook these now because of their surface area. We've cut them in half and they will have more heat exposure.
Ooh, heat exposure.
Yes, Phoebe, that means they will cook quicker.
Oh, okay.
And it's time to start cooking.
Oh, no, wait! We need our cooking outfits for protection. Let's use a bit of fizzy magic. Join in with me. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Fizzy, whizzy, bo, busy, bop. Oh, you look great, Phoebe.
It's time to barbecue.
Ooh, here we go. Can you see inside of here? We have a whole load of charcoal, and that means our barbecue will definitely get nice and hot. And these metal grates here, that's what the food will sit on to cook.
What needs flipping? We don't want our food to burn.
Oh, don't worry, Phoebe. We're still setting up our barbecue. There, I think that's secure. Actually, we can take that red spatula that we have and we can hang it on this little hook here on the side of our barbecue. And we have these useful tongs here. They can go on that hook. And let's put our little cooking fork on the other side. Just there.
This looks awesome.
And right down here we have this handy little red shelf. That's where we can keep our plates and our forks. And we have our ketchup bottle. Let's put that right here. This barbecue is ready to be lit. Let's turn it on. All the way to the top there.
Oh no, the wind, it's too strong.
I think we should try this again.
Maybe if I stand like this, I can block the wind.
Good work, team. Now we can put our meat on the right-hand side of the barbecue, and on the left we will put vegetables.
No. Wait, Phoebe. We mustn't use our fingers when we're putting things on a hot barbecue. We have to use the right utensil. We could use those tongs to pick up the chicken.
Ooh, that looks yummy.
chicken is a great source of protein. And proteins are our building blocks to being strong and healthy.
Cool!
And now we can wash our tongues. Great! Now we can add the vegetables to the left-hand side.
I love vegetables!
Well, that's really good, Fizzy. You know, vegetables are so important because they have different nutrients that act as fuel for our body. If you imagine a car, your car wouldn't get very far if it's low on fuel. And food is our fuel.
It's time to flip the food. It's time to flip the food.
Good spot, Phoebe. Let's flip the food, everybody. And first we can flip the chicken. I'm going to use these tongs so that the heat can get to it and it all cooks evenly. There we go. That's one. And two. There we go.
Yummy!
And next, I can use this spatula and this fork to turn out tasty vegetables. Let's try it here. There we go. That's one. And that one. And let's go up here to the eggplant. Turn that over. It's kind of slippery. Whoops, I lost a carrot. Hang on a minute. There we go. And can you hear that crackle? That means it's all cooking.
Doesn't that mean it's losing its flavor, Miss Hands?
Oh no, not at all. It just means there's enough energy being transferred from our hot coals down there to our food. Ooh, let's add some fries to the top shelf over here and we'll have an even tastier lunch. Now, fries are a type of carbohydrate. To have a balanced diet, we need carbs to help us with our energy. And there are two types of carbs, sugar and starch. And fries are starch because they're a potato.
So they give us energy!
Exactly! As our tummies work hard to break down and digest our food, carbohydrates have a slow release of energy.
Awesome sauce!
Perfect! We've almost finished cooking. Now, can you name everything we have here on the barbecue?
Chicken, which is protein.
Eggplant!
Pepper.
Tomatoes!
Carrot.
Fries, which are a carbohydrate.
Good job! I think we're ready to plate up our delicious lunch. Here we go with our tasty barbecue food.
We have our chicken protein.
And we have our nutritious vegetables.
And fries, our tasty carbohydrate.
Oh, this looks so tasty.
We have a very nutritionally balanced plate.
Ooh, I'm so hungry.
Yeah, me too, Phoebe. Let's get eating.
Yay!
Enjoy your lunch.
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy fantastic day.
We will
See you.
next time.
Oh, Phoebe, this looks lovely.
You know?